Hi, and welcome to Make English Easy, Podcast and Real English. I'm Emma, and today I'm here with Alex. In this podcast, you'll learn real, natural English through everyday conversations. Listen, relax, and improve your English step by step. Let's get started.
And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications. It really helps us grow and create more free English lessons for you. This is a great way to practice your spoken English.
Today's episode is great for beginners. We're going to use many common English verbs in a natural conversation about daily life. This is great English listening practice. Listen carefully and try to understand how we use these basic English verbs in real situations. So, Alex, to start, let's talk about our daily lives. What do you usually do in the morning?
Well, my day starts pretty early. I get up at 7 a.m. The first thing I do is make a big cup of coffee. I can't really start my day without it.
I know that feeling. I need coffee too. So you make coffee, and what's next?
I drink it while I check my phone. I look at the news, and then I read my messages.
Same here. I always read my messages first. Do you check work emails too?
I do. I usually have a few. I read them, and sometimes I need to write a quick reply if something's important.
Right. I try not to work before work, but sometimes you have to. What about breakfast? Do you have time to eat?
I try to. I usually eat something small, like toast or a banana. I don't have much time to make a big meal. And you?
Oh, I love breakfast. It's my favorite meal. I always make eggs, or if I feel lazy, I eat some yogurt and fruit. I think it's important to have a good start.
I agree. Maybe I should wake up earlier to have more time. So after breakfast, I go to work. I usually drive my car.
Ah, you drive. Can you find parking easily?
Sometimes it's hard, but I like driving because I can listen to music or podcasts. Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive, but I don't love it. The traffic makes me feel stressed. I prefer to walk if the weather is good, or I take the bus.
Taking the bus is a good option. You can read a book or just relax and look out the window.
Exactly. I like to watch the city wake up. I think it's a calm way to start the workday.
That's a nice thought. So when you get to work, what do you usually do first?
First, I put my bag down and start my computer. Then I open my email client and check my schedule for the day. I want to know what meetings I have.
Right. I do the same. I look at my calendar and make a list of things I need to do. After that, I usually speak with my team. We have a quick meeting.
That's a good way to organize the day. Do you like your job, Alex?
Yes, I do. I really like the people I work with. They help me a lot when I don't understand something, and they give me good advice.
That's so important. Good coworkers can make a difficult job much better. I'm lucky. I love my team too. We often eat lunch together.
We do that sometimes too. After work, I usually just want to go home and relax. I feel pretty tired.
Me too. What do you do to relax in the evening?
Well, first I make dinner. I like cooking. I think it's a creative process. After I eat, I usually watch a series on Netflix. Sometimes, if I have the energy, I read a book. What about you?
Sounds very similar to my evening. I also watch shows, but I often call my family. I speak to my parents or my sister. It's nice to hear what they're doing.
That's nice. I should call my parents more often. I usually just send a message.
A message is good too. It shows you think about them. Do you ever forget to do things for work and have to work in the evening?
Oh, yes. Sometimes I forget to send an important email, so I need to open my laptop and finish it. I try to remember everything during the day, but it's hard.
I know. I write everything down in a notebook. I put it on my desk so I can see it.
I should try that. Okay, let's talk about something more fun. What do you do on weekends? Do you work?
No, I try not to. On Saturday, I often go shopping. I buy groceries for the week. Sometimes I go to the mall if I need to buy clothes or a gift.
The mall can be fun. Do you like shopping?
I like it when I know what I want to buy. I don't like to just look for hours. When I find something, I pay for it and I go home.
I understand completely. I'm the same. I want to get in and get out. Then I can finally close the door to my apartment and just relax.
Exactly. It feels good to just be at home and do nothing sometimes.
Speaking of weekends, do you have any hobbies? What do you like to do when you have free time?
Okay, great. That was our easy English dialogue. Now let's listen again, but this time slower and clearer. This will help you hear every word. What do you do in the morning?
I get up, I make coffee, and I drink it. Then I check my phone.
Do you read your emails?
Yes, I read emails and I write replies.
Do you drive to work?
Yes, I drive. You can drive too, right?
Yes, but I don't like driving. I like to walk. Now, let's talk about some useful phrases and common mistakes for everyday English. Alex, what's our first one?
We said make coffee, not do coffee. In English, we use the verb make for most preparing food and drinks.
That's a good one. Another is how we talk about transport. We say take the bus or take the train. In casual speech, this is more common than go by bus.
Right. And we also said, I need to finish it. We didn't say, I must finish it. The word must is very strong, so in everyday relaxed conversation, we usually use need to or have to.
Here's another. Alex said he likes to listen to music. Remember the preposition to. We never say, I listen music. It's always listen to something.
Exactly. And one more. Emma said, I pay for it. When we talk about buying something, we need the preposition for. For example, I pay for the coffee, or I pay for the ticket.
Okay, now it's time for some shadowing practice. This is where you listen and repeat the sentence. It's great practice for your pronunciation. Let's begin. Repeat after me. I get up at 7.
I make coffee in the morning.
I check my emails.
I drive to work.
I take the bus.
I speak with my team.
I like my job.
I watch a series in the evening.
I need to write an email.
I want to relax on the weekend.
Great job listening today. To help you learn English through conversation even more, you can find a free PDF in the comments under this video. It has today's verbs, useful phrases, and extra exercises.
Your task is to write 3 sentences about your daily routine using these verbs. Practicing helps you remember. And here's a question for you. What do you usually do after work?
Write your answer in the comments using full sentences. Don't forget to subscribe and check our playlist for more easy English conversations. See you next time.